Hello and welcome to this month's jam-packed subscription box by the Papery. It's the box of love for the month of love, which is February. This potpourri, which is in the box, you can actually smell as soon as you open the delivery packaging, which is very refreshing. And we also get some sticky notes, which is cool. It's 3 patterns, and they all have like these rose themes to it. The quality is quite nice as well. It feels so nice to hold. It's that paper quality, so it's not like glossy. Some pens don't write well on glossy sticky notes. And then we have some memo books for little love notes, keeping to the theme of the box as well. I still have to find a use for this. And then we have some stickers. They are all flowers, small little cute boxes of flowers, and a pen to write your notes to that special someone. This one is quite interesting. I haven't seen this before. It's a graphite pencil, like color pencil. Can't wait to try that. Next up, we have these post stamps, which are bronzy onesie reflectors, and I'm also going to use the back paper as a scrapbooky paper for my boo gel. We also have some envelopes. The envelopes come with like stickers instead of like having to apply water to close them, which is nice. And here's the book. It's so pretty. The gold is reflective, which is a nice touch. It's the Book of Love. The paper on this book is quite hard. You can actually tear it. It's perforated, and I guess it's meant to be turned into an envelope as well, or paper plane, however you choose to send your little love notes. And here we have this card that came on top of the whole thing. It actually also contains little seeds in it, so if you plant it, it will grow into a little cute little flower. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.